Bonjour, hi, Charles Rivard here. We are currently at the Dime's very own Glory Challenge in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. And today, on the behalf of Quarter Snacks, we will be interviewing friends and family about fashion. Haha, yeah, let's get to it. Great event, by the way, thank you.
Thanks.
What's the ID on the shades? What kind of shades are those?
Very fast shades. I don't know.
They look really nice.
Thanks.
Last question. I really need to know, what's in the bag?
A crew neck.
Nice, I love crew necks.
I love crew necks too.
We love crew necks. Best nollie back heel in the game. Pete, how are you?
I'm good. How you doing?
Not bad, better than this morning.
All right.
Jewelry or nah?
Nah, not really.
Cool. Yo, how much for the fit? Yo, go on. How much for the fit?
This is like $15.
J'aime vraiment ta casquette.
Ouais, ben, tu sais, je voulais représenter comme la génération que je suis dans le monde du skate. Je pense qu'Astérix, c'est un moment clé de l'histoire de ma génération de skate. C'est pour ça que je voulais mettre cette casquette-là.
I can't speak French.
Me neither.
Insurance, baby.
Fuck. I'm really curious. I wanted to ask you, when you travel to eventful weekends like this, how do you pack? Do you have curated outfits, or do you kind of just pack light with?
I like the color beige and green.
Beige is cool.
Lots of underwear, lots of socks. Nothing else really counts.
I think we're talking to a professional. Are you in the clothing industry or something?
I do make clothing occasionally. Sometimes. Not.
We're looking for Eric Costin. Okay. Have you seen him around? Michelle, how are you?
Fucking tanked, bud. How are you?
Get in there. Big boys or Henrys?
Henry's every day, all day. Never a big boy. I'm a big boy myself, but
Oh, no way. Very nice. How much for the belt?
One switch varial heel.
So Rob, be honest, how much for the belt? $45,000. Jesus. How many zeros is that?